not reached the top of the stairs. Thank you. And enjoy your ride around the kingdom.
Second, touch yourself. When you're safe, remember to stay safe with your hands, arms, feet.
Los pies o las piernas fuera del vehículo. Cuiden a los pequeñitos y tengan mucho cuidado con monstruos.
Now, you're working for me.
Be careful.
Wait for me!
Go ahead. Make a jackass out of yourself. Make them cry.
Please let me go. Please. Hurry, hurry!
You blokes going somewhere?
Oh my gosh! Monster!
Here it is. Home.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to our sponsors and Patreon producers for making this video possible. Hit the subscribe button so the creepy fun never has to end. This is Hannah reminding you to keep it creepy.